to the Great Wall and gave that man a knee help! Knee help! Knee help! Knee help!
Mommy, help me! Mommy, why is he so angry at the rim? Mommy, why is that man's face all red?
Get this poor sap up.
Pop-Tart! 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 Pop-Tart!
Have a
Pop-Tart! 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 Pop-Tart!
It's jumping.
Perfect sense. With that old thing. Here's Pollard. Oh, look at Pollard. Turn it on. Carlson. He gets past him. Look at Pollard taking it for the touchdown. Oh my goodness.
I wonder what Mary Ann's making for dinner later.
Oh, have mercy!
Hey, y'all got me messed up.
Ain't no one safe around here.
Come here, rap. Ah!
No one is up, gang.
Is it cool if I just step in here real quick? Sorry, brother, that's my fault. It's their ball, though. Ooh.
You mean you don't got sour cream? That's the best part of the taco, Susan! Hey, you better shut down this crusty taco truck before I call the authority. You hear that, you crazy white woman?
Man,
Give me that.
Oh, hello!
Goodbye.
got prehistoric UD out here.
Give me that ball. Get out my pay.
Oh, he wants to do it again.
Give me that.
Oh, what's my phone number? 1-800.
Give me that.
Hey, can I just squeeze by right
No.
now? Oh, good shot!
I'll take that.
Look at Jay Rich trying so hard.
Give me that.
Oh, wow, 2 points for free!
Get out my house. Take me to the promised land, big fella. A grown man game! Put that man on the charity stripe! It's a grown man game!
Yo, my man in the black, you go have to hit the weights!
It's a grown man sport! Put him on the charity stripe! That's a